Welcome, friends, come take a seat. Grab your words and feel the beat. Sing and laugh, it's all okay. Learning English starts today.
Hello everyone, this is Pete, and welcome to English with a Pete. Today's lesson is all about how to use some and any with fruits and drinks. Without further ado, let's get started. Some. We use some in affirmative sentences with countable or uncountable nouns. Example: melon. There is some melon. Biscuits. There are some biscuits. Any. We use any in negative sentences with countable or uncountable nouns. Examples: water. There isn't any water. Strawberries. There aren't any strawberries. Any can also be used in questions, but today we'll focus only on the negative form. Let's look inside the fridge. Do you know what's in it? Let's discover together. Before we start the challenge, you have 5 seconds to choose your best option, some or any. There you go. Milk. That's correct. Yogurt. Correct. Orange juice. That's perfect. Bananas. Correct. Grapes. Well done. Lettuce. Brilliant job. Strawberries. Well done. Oranges. That's correct. Apples. That's correct. Well done, everyone. You got it right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Practice it because this is everyday English. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Alright then, take care. Cheers, guys.